To indicate a path or route. Way, pathway, road, route. We took the wrong way and got lost. There's a narrow way through the forest. To express manner or method. Way, manner, style, approach. She explained the problem in a clear way. You should handle this in a professional way. To show a degree or extent, way, much, far. She's way ahead of everyone in the race. This problem is way too complicated for me. To indicate distance or separation, way, far, far off. The school is way on the other side of town. He lives way out in the country. To express a specific direction or position, way, direction, the nearest store is that way. Go this way and you'll find the exit. To indicate a significant difference or change, way, different, much. This solution is way different from what we expected. There's way more work to be done. Common collocations with way. In a way, by the way, all the way, this way, no way, find a way. In some way, I understand how you feel. Do you know, by the way, how to get there? We drove all the way from New York to California. Come this way, please. There's no way he can finish this in time. Let's find a way to make this work.